to build an AI content agency for Bin ZSH. Complete blueprint. What if you could start a content agency in 2026 without a team, without expensive software, and without years of experience? And instead just use AI tools to create content faster than entire agencies. In this video, I am going to show you the complete blueprint to build an AI content agency specifically for textile niche or bin ZSH using tools you can run directly from your laptop as well. And by the end, you will know exactly what to use, how to get clients, and how to scale this into a real business. So let's get into it. First, what is an AI content agency? An AI content agency is a business where you create content for your clients using AI tools instead of a full team. And you can entirely do this all by yourself. All you need is your laptop. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate scripts, captions, and content ideas in seconds. For example, if you simply ask ChatGPT to write us an 8-minute script on the new features of Gemma AI, and if you click on generate, it is going to provide us with the exact script that we're looking for. Now, later we can just use CapCut to turn these scripts into polished short form videos or use any other video editing tool. And for visuals, we're going to use tools like Midjourney that is going to help us create high quality images for our content. You can also apply all of these tools and get used to them quickly because they're really beginner friendly. So instead of hiring writers, editors, and designers, you replace them with a smart workflow. Now, it's really important to understand the Bin ZSH niche. Let's talk about this niche because this just represents a tech-focused content style, things like AI tools, coding content, automation, productivity. All of this is how niche actually works because it's something extremely focused because it attracts high value audiences. It is easy to create content using AI, and along with that, businesses also just use this space and are willing to pay for it. Now, when you're choosing an offer, it can be something really simple. It doesn't have to be complex. You don't need to do everything. A strong beginner offer could just be create 30 short form videos per month for your brand. That is clear, measurable, and super easy to sell because you can deliver this using tools like for editing you can use CapCut, and for scripting, you can just use ChatGPT or Claude if you want more efficient answers. Simple offers close faster, so just stick to your consistent workflow, and that is it. Now, building your AI workflow is the most important part because your workflow might look like this. First, you go to ChatGPT, you ask it for a script, and simply once you get the script you can simply copy paste it and either you can read it out or read it once and understand the topics, and then you can ask it for more video ideas. For example, if you simply ask it to provide us with more video ideas, it is going to provide you with a bunch of video ideas that we can get started with, and then you can pick out some of the best video ideas and ask for scripts. And just like that, ChatGPT is going to respond to your prompts and commands and provide you the exact information you want to find out. And along with that, you can also ask it to generate you captions and then create visuals using Midjourney or similar tools. You can also use CapCut for this, or if you're dealing with content creation, you can use different AI tools. Now, if you want motion or more advanced content, you can also move to OpenArt or Luma Dream Machine to generate video clips. And once you pick out the perfect video editing tool for you, you can finally bring everything together in CapCut to produce the final content with the best quality possible. This system allows you to create high quality videos at a scale. Now, before you get clients, you need proof, so create your own content. You can use ChatGPT for scripts, just like I mentioned before, and then you can turn them into videos using CapCut or simply any other AI editing tool, or you can also just use certain tools which already provide you with the AI generation along with the video editing tools. For this, I recommend OpenArts because from this you can directly edit and generate AI content and then later take these videos to the editing studio. You can create 5 to 10 videos in your niche, and once that is done, you can simply make them engaging, clean, and just consistent. And then you can post them on a page or just keep them ready to show it to your clients. This becomes your portfolio. Now, once you're creating your portfolio, you can move to Squarespace because this allows you to create the best portfolio or just best websites and then you can directly drop the link to your clients. For this, it's super easy. Once you go over to the official website of Squarespace, you can see all the e-commerce, marketing, and websites that you can start creating. Along with this, you can also use Wix if you're familiar with that, if you're looking for a better platform with more designs, and then you can offer these to your clients so they can get a better view of your work. Now you need people to sell to. For this, you can look for creators on Instagram and TikTok who have potential but don't post consistently or have weak content. Reach out with a simple message, don't overcomplicate it. Tell them you can help them grow using AI powered content. You can also use the help of ChatGPT to generate a proper professional response that you can directly send it. Just keep it short, and direct messages work the best. Now it comes about the pricing details and how you're going to price your services. You can start small, you can charge $200 to $500 per month in the very beginning, and as you improve and get results, increase to $1,000 or more per client. You don't need that many clients, you just need a few high paying clients that can build a solid income. Now, once you get your clients, you focus on the delivery and how you're going to scale up gradually. Use your workflow to batch content. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate multiple scripts at once and then edit all videos together in CapCut or in batches. And this saves time and keeps your output consistent. Consistency is what clients pay for. Now, once your system works, you can try scaling, and scaling becomes much easier because you can take more clients, you can increase the pricing, and improve your workflow. And you're no longer trading time for money, you're running a system. And as your agency grows, it can move from one person to an entire team. Now, the next level comes to automation and outsourcing. You remove yourself from repetitive work. You can simply automate scripting with ChatGPT, or you can simply even use Claude for this. So it can ensure that you have a safe working environment along with connections and integrations. And then you can use templates in CapCut for the video generation and editing, and then hire editors for the production that you're looking for. Now your role here becomes managing the process instead of doing everything yourself. Now let's talk about some common mistakes that you need to avoid, especially if you were a beginner looking to start an AI content agency. Most beginners try to do too much and they don't stay consistent with a lot of things. Just make sure you're avoiding that, and they usually don't pick a niche and just go along with whatever is easier or the first template that they find. Just keep it simple, one niche, one offer, and one workflow. That is enough to get started. Now, AI content agencies are one of the most practical ways to make money online in 2026. You don't need a team, you don't need expensive tools, and all you need is a clear system, the right tools, and consistent execution. And if you follow this blueprint, then you can build a real scalable business using AI in just a few weeks and have it running and actually scaling for the betterment. And that is it for this video. If you found this helpful, then make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Turn on notifications for more AI content and business ideas like this. Let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial for a client outreach script or a done for you agency workflow. Also comment if you have any questions or queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.